You know, this is Levi with the Vacation Rentals and Telluride. This is how you get to the parking at Ballard North and South. But we're specifically looking for Ballard 203 North on this one. So this is the ramp you go down. I would park up here before you go down and then just walk down to this man door. Put in the code here. Open this up, and then right here on the wall is an open key. You can see that thing opens up super fast, and you can just pull down. The parking space for Ballard 203 North is where this white Jeep is. Be careful not to park in the Ballard 203 South space. So what I did was I just nosed in there and then backed in right into this space. And you can see it kind of says Ballard North 203. Okay, so now you've parked, you got all your stuff, you want to get up to the unit. So from the garage, just walk around here. Luggage rack if you need it. Right here for the elevator access. Right here for the elevator. All right, so here we are at floor 2. Gonna exit out, go right. Here's the property, and back up a little bit. 3, just enter your door code here, and then you're here. And this is what everybody pays the big money for.